Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today guys, ate, sunflower ni ate? Oh guys, the sunflower is so big na. Oh my god. Look. Uy. Oh, they are making a space for the coffin.
Hoy! Zelo pong ikaw?
Charan lang to guys.
Kay nara kayo. Ang kuha ng mga liso-liso kay ba?
Guys, ang laki na ng mga sunflower. Sunflower nga ba? Nagdududa ko kung sunflower ba talaga ito. Parang hindi. Yung sunflower. Ito guys, agay gago. Guys, ito guys, ano ito, squash? This is a plant. Oy God. This guys is a squash. Ito na pala yung squash. Tama? Oh, squash. So there guys, they are making a space talaga. Oh, perfectly for you. Ayan.
Kay kuha lagi ng mga liso-liso kay. Pero oh, kita kay nako kay.
I don't have a glove.
Hoy kamuta, di pa ka mamatay ano?
Di pa lagi daw ka magmamatay. So guys, today is there's some kalamungay guys. Yung minsang pinag-aawayan ng mga kapitbahay. Guys, this is silly. This is what is this? Oy, gago, di mag-focus. Dan. Oy, di siya mag-focus. Bakit? Ayaw mo? Ah. There, dito guys. Diyan. Oh, dito talaga siya magpo-focus. So guys, ito yung small well na may mga kuan na. This is a well noon. Charan, di yan well ah. So guys, this is our garden. There. Ayan. Hi Joshua. Hi Joshua. Guys, PM lang namin kung gusto nyong ka-chat, may kuan kami. There guys, di ko pa nakwento to sa inyo. If you know what's this guys, you can leave in the comment box below. Oh, so guys, there's also a kuan pa man, seedling there.
Oh, come on.
They're not there. Oh, that's kalabasa or squash maybe. Squash nga. So this is banana. So there is Tita there. Say hi to our vlog. So guys, it's pouring. It's pouring here. Wang, pwede na kay butang dihawang.
Scarecrow!
So there guys, they're making basok-basok around here. So this is also squash. Guys, ang ganda ng andito. Ayan, so we have... Hoy, di siya mag-focus. Bakit? Hoy, bakit? Wait lang guys, di siya mag-focus. Asan man to? There. Hindi talaga siya mag-focus guys. Gipicturean na natin to guys. There. So guys, there are di na magfo-focus to. Ano ba tong camera to? Di mag-focus. Dami namang. So guys, di ako makabelieve na ito ay sunflower pero wala pang bunga. Oh no. This is the sunflower. So guys, it's raining na really hard. It's oh my god, it's raining. There's a
Ba?
bayabas.
Ba?
This is a bayabas, guys. Guys, there. Uy, yung sa ni ate. Guys, this is
Tomato. Tomatis.
is this tomato?
Ang si kamatsu.
Tomato.
Tomato.
This is tomato. Oh.
Is, dahil na is. More than one is.
I only tukoy-tukoy to the one. To the one and my only. Ah! Bobo. So guys, ala, it's raining na.
No shit, man. Where?
Uy, my God, ba't naka-focus talaga to? Oh, ayan. Ang focus nila, guys. Oh, ayan na talaga mag-focus.
Ito daw kabi.
Ito din na Layo raman kay ko. Huwag naman siya buang.
Ayaw ko ito.
There, nandyan si Tikring.
Baka kasabot.
Ko, nakumad na lang ko.
This is how you do Basok 101.
Hi, water. Wow, wow.
Kamusta na lang ako ah?
There. Charan ka cute. Ako tong istoryan ako. Ayan, nandito yung mga tinanom kanina. This is harvest.
This is a shunite.
There. Slice it.
Nasa abong na.
There. That. Harvest it. There. Naibot na siya, guys. Where is that? Oh, it's a eggplant. There. That's how you cut eggplant.
Anna, let's go.
We have 6 eggplants.